You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce the name of this lake in Massachusetts? One of the longest words in the world, and arguably one of the most difficult to pronounce. Let's give it a go. I don't get this one perfect always, but let's try. Chagogogog, manchagogog. So far it's alright. That's the end. That's a bit difficult. Chobanagongomog. Alright, so if you try in one go. Chagogogog, manchagogog. Chobanagongomog. Chogogogog, manchagogog, chogbanagamonggogog. No, it's not that. Chogogogog, manchagogog, chobanagongomog. That's the one. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.